If you're looking at the Tasaca V58 electric dirt bike and wondering whether it's actually worth your money, here's the quick verdict. On paper, the V8 looks seriously impressive. It packs a 5,500-watt peak motor, a 52-volt 30Ah battery, a claimed top speed of over 50 miles per hour, and up to 55 miles of range. It also comes with hydraulic brakes and suspension, which are features you'd normally expect on more expensive bikes. Now, after digging into the specs and what riders are saying, the good news is that many owners report the bike can actually hit close to its advertised speed, which is rare in this price range. Some riders have even recorded GPS speeds around 50 mph. That said, it's not perfect. A few users mentioned needing suspension adjustments, brake upgrades, or small modifications to get the best riding experience. And like most electric dirt bikes, don't expect the advertised range if you're riding aggressively on trails. So is it worth it? For around $1,100, the Tasaca V58 offers a lot of performance for the money. If you're looking for a fast, fun electric dirt bike without spending Sur-Ron money, I'd say it's a solid buy. Just go in expecting a few compromises and you'll probably be impressed.